Today I have a quick tip to show how to copy an effect from one clip to another. So you can see here I have some breaks in the timeline where I made some edits, and I added a blur and a Gaussian blur effect to a certain portion of the video, and I have a previous video that explains how to do that, which I'll put a link in the description. But I'm going to copy this effect. In this video, I'm going to copy this effect from one clip in the timeline to another. So I just select this clip, and from the pop-up menu, I'll say Control, and then I click it in Mac, and then I say Copy, and then I go to my next clip. So you can see the effect on the right, the blur effect on the right, and then as I go over, it disappears. So I want that blur effect to continue on throughout the video. So I'm just going to go select Control, click on this next clip, and I just select Paste Attributes. And you can paste any attributes you want, actually. There's audio attributes, sound attributes, motion attributes. But here I have effects, Gaussian blur, and any motion that I added when I created that blur. I'm going to include that too. So paste attributes. And then you'll see as I play this,
website link.
You see it won't disappear. This blur area on the right won't disappear. So it didn't.
My website.
So that's my quick tip for today: how to paste an attribute, specifically a Gaussian blur attribute, from one clip to another in the timeline. Please like if you learned something. Thank you for watching.